Hey everyone, it's Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, and bringing to you a quick video this morning just to let you know about a new technology that we are using for design, food forest design. What does this mean to you? Well, it means a big savings for you as a consumer, as a steward. What used to cost you, say, for an acre, $3,500 to design an acre of land, a food forest, all right? So with the technology I have, I can knock that down to about half with the new technology that we are developing and currently testing. So what does that means for you? Savings for you if you want to get a food forest. You've been wanting to get one, but the cost of design is out of your range. Well, now with this new technology we're using, I can make that possible for you. So what would cost you? It costs you 50% less today than it would last week. Okay, that's just the way it is. So I'm sorry if someone bought a design a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I didn't have this technology then. And now I do. And now it is part of my company. And going forward, we're going to continue to develop this technology. And it is going to change the game. It's going to change the way we design food forests and we design land, okay? And the way we're doing this is we're incorporating AI into our design process, okay? This basically saves us a ton of time, but you still get an amazing design, intelligent design. Now it's really intelligent design, because we're using the help of AI to design your property. And trust me, there's still a lot of human input, but the AI helps us do it a lot faster and more efficient. So we can get the design done a lot sooner than, let's say it took us 3 weeks or 4 weeks before. If you have a larger property, sometimes designs can take a while, depending on what is in your design, what kind of goals you have for your property and what you're trying to incorporate into your landscape. So all I'd like to say is come back to us if the money has been a problem with getting a food forest design. I do have an answer for you now to cut that in half from where it was before. Sometimes even a little more, but contact me, let's talk, and we're changing the game in landscaping, in food forest design, edible landscape design, helping people become self-sufficient with regenerative, edible landscapes, and cutting the cord from government, okay? Government resources are failing food supply chain. Okay, the poisons and the pesticides and the chemicals that are sprayed on our food. Okay, we need to bring food production back local. Okay, so everybody knows where their food is coming from. But now we're making it easier, or it's easier for you to get a food forest designed for your property. Obviously, you have to buy the plants and everything else to install your design, but that's different. I'm talking about getting a intelligent designed ecosystem for your property. Give me a shout, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit foodforesdesign.solutions and sign up or schedule a free consultation with me or one of my other professional permaculture designers, and let us design the Garden of Eden in your backyard. It's time to grow food, my friends. Have an amazing day. See ya.